Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into parasite. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Drone. Which means a person who does no useful work and lives off others. Drone. For example, the university takes all the profit and redistributes it to drones like him. Number 2. Passenger. Which means a member of a team or group who does far less effective work than the other members. Passenger. For example, he had been a superlative teacher but his health was gone and he was now a passenger. Number 3. Hanger-on. Which means a person who associates with another person or a group in a sycophantic manner or for the purpose of gaining some personal advantage. Hanger-on. For example, the shysters, the freebooters, the hangers-on who traditionally take advantage of champions. Number 4. Leech. Which means a person who extorts profit from or sponges on others. Leech. For example, they are leeches feeding off the hard-working majority. Number 5. Sponger. Which means a person who lives at others' expense. Sponger. For example, many saw him as an easy touch and he was surrounded by an army of spongers. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.